day, another flight to Sydney to get on another ship. Sydney. Alright, so this is where I'd normally be going to the ship, but I'm heading to P&O's head office first. It's kind of a crazy, you know what, I'll let them explain it. So I'm here at the P&O head office. This is P&O's office right here. This is it.
Yeah, this tiny little room.
Oh,
We're doing
Sammy.
okay.
That's Jess.
Hey.
We're trying to figure out how to make some good stuff to make it look good.
Yeah.
If you're wondering why we have to bleep, it's because we couldn't get the rights from the state.
Tender.
Yeah, I know. Bye.
Hey man, how you doing?
It's all these impersonators, and we're trying to get some kind of cool hero shot for them to get out of the limousine and the combi. It's tough because they're so excited to get on the cruise.
We're on the King Cruise. This is awesome. We're rocking and rolling all over the place, and it is, tell you what, you've got all things. You can bleep that out, can't you?
It's one for the money, two for the show. You get ready now, go, can't go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoe.
And the performers were on top of their game.
Well, you can do anything, but take me over my blue suede shoe.
They did amazing.
Now, it's brilliant. The shows, the music, it is constantly going in all the bars and lounges, and this is something for people who love the King, love the 50s, 60s, and 70s.
Yeah, my heart's in the world. I love my little
Vegas, baby, right here. It is floating Vegas as well, and it's a hunker burning love here on board P&O.
Bright light city, gonna set my soul, gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get lost. Viva Las Vegas, Viva Las Vegas, Viva Las Vegas, Viva Las Vegas,
Plenty more stuff happening on board the ship, so for everything, check your good times as I'm just giving you some of the highlights. Wow, that's a long announcement. Oh, so many things to talk about.
We had this dream to put together a cruise. We wanted to put together something that people were going to remember. Something that was going to take them back to another time. And you know what? You're never too old to rock and roll.
A little less conversation, a little more action, please. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction in me. A little more bang, a little less bang, a little less bang, a little more.
I just love his music, I love the fan base, I love everything about it, and what a better way to do it but a cruise. Tribute to the King.
And even for me, I actually loved how everyone was into this, and it felt like it was a real Elvis concert. Or like 6 Elvis concerts.
Now you could spare a kiss or two and still have many levels on my face. I ain't asking what you use. You're too big, a big, a big, I will. That's right.
There we go, and that ends another adventure here on the Pacific Eden. It's been a fun cruise, running around getting shots for a promo video, which you can see on P&O's Facebook page. But for now, I'm actually not catching a flight. I'm gonna stay in Sydney because Vivid is on. Let's just go.
It's now or never.
I did not say this. Not once did I say no, no. Tribute to the King Cruise, not
I hope you guys enjoyed this. Click that subscribe button, click the little bell next to it for notifications, and check out this video.
Baby, let me be. Your love will take you back. Put a chain around my neck and lead me anywhere. Let me be. Oh, let him be. Your teddy bear.